Welcome to English Literature Studies. In this video, we are going to study types of literature. There are two types of literature to study: applied literature, pure literature. What is applied literature? It is merely concerned with literary value, its style, diction, expression, artistic effects, exclude the moral purpose of the writer in writing this kind of literature. In applied literature, the writer is more focused on its style, on its writing style, its artistic feature like meter, stressed and unstressed sounds in a poetry, the adjustment of the sounds. There is no moral purpose in writing applied literature. Like rhyming poems written for nursery kids are a form of applied literature. If we look at any poetry, poem which is merely focused on its rhyming pattern, rhythmic sounds, and it has no moral value, that is applied literature. In other words, when knowledge and pleasure are composed in an attractive manner which gives pleasure is termed as applied literature. When a piece of knowledge gives pleasure in an attractive manner, that gives poems, poetries which are more focused on its sounds, its style, diction, rather than any moral value. On the other hand, we have pure literature. Pure literature is written with the main purpose to convey an ideology or message. It is mainly concerned with the motives of the writer. All constructive literature is purely based on this style. Pure literature is mainly written to convey an ideology or message. Pure literature is written to convey a message to the audience, to convey a thought, an expression, an observation, a moral value to the audience. All constructive literature is purely based on this style. Students of English literature study pure literature only because it has moral values. This is why literature makes us more valuable. In other words, when a literary work gives aesthetic pleasure, sense of peace, and accomplishment is called pure literature. Pure literature can have an aesthetic pleasure, but it must have a moral value as well. It gives both aesthetic pleasure and sense of peace. The pure literature transforms a person into a better human. So this is the basic difference between applied and pure literature. Thank you.